Are you trying to decide between Eero and TP-Link Deco? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems. Both aim to give you better internet coverage in your home, but they do it in different ways. Eero is known for its user-friendly setup and sleek design. It creates a strong, reliable Wi-Fi network. With Eero, you can easily manage your network through a simple app. It also supports Alexa, which means you can control your Wi-Fi with your voice. On the other hand, TP-Link Deco offers a bit more flexibility. It has a variety of models to choose from, catering to different needs. Deco also provides robust security features, making it a great choice for families. The app is easy to use too, and it allows for advanced settings if you want more control. Now, let's talk about what sets them apart. Eero focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward setup. Meanwhile, TP-Link Deco gives you more options and features which can be appealing if you are tech savvy. When it comes to features, both have great parental controls and guest networks. However, Deco tends to offer more customization options. Eero shines in its integration with smart home devices. In terms of pricing, Eero is usually a bit more expensive, while TP-Link Deco often has more budget-friendly options. This makes Deco a good choice if you're looking to save some money. So, which one should you choose? If you want something simple and reliable, go for Eero. But if you need more features and options, TP-Link Deco is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.